So even if your account isn't under $25,000, if it's over, honestly, I would start with something really small. Like I said, $5,000, 3,000, 2,500, something small to learn how to trade. And then once you figured out how to trade, scale up after that point. Hey there, traders. Welcome back to today's How to Trade Stocks and Options podcast. Today, we have a special lesson for you, and this is coming straight from my brand new trading course called the AI Stock Trading System. I've literally pulled this lesson straight out of the course, and I'm putting it here on the podcast because I really believe that this is going to provide you massive, massive value, and that's what I'm trying to do here. And hey, listen, if this podcast was useful to you at all, I really highly suggest that you go check out the full trading course at AIStockTradingSystem.com. That's AIStockTradingSystem.com. Hey there, I'm Christopher Yule. I am your host for the AI Stock Trading System course, and this is the 5-step system to take the guesswork out of trading in only 10 minutes per day. And today, or in this lesson, I should say, we're going to be talking about small account problems and how to fix them. Now, is your account under $25,000? If so, that is totally 100% fine. In fact, I don't know if, honestly, if a trader started with an account over $25,000, I would think that's probably a bigger problem than starting under $25,000 because it's so easy to lose money. There's a stock quote statistic out there. It may just be urban myth or legend or something, but it's something like 90% of traders lose 90% of their account in the first 90 days of trading. And I definitely have been there. I lost 2/3 of my account in the first 60 days I started trading, so I was probably even worse off. But it doesn't matter what size account you start with, honestly. Like, if you start with $1 million, there's another quote. It's like, hey, if you are a billionaire, you're a billionaire, and you want to, what? I don't know. It's something like if you want to take a billion, if you wanted to become, there it is. Okay, I got it. I got it. If you wanted to make $1 million in the stock market, dang it. It was something along the lines of if you wanted to become a millionaire, start out as a billionaire, and then lose enough money to become a billionaire or become a millionaire. In the process, I've totally ruined that joke, so don't worry about it. But the point is starting out with a lot of money is probably problematic. In fact, I had a very high net worth individual reach out to me once, and we were talking. And he had some goals, and I was like, you need to probably have $300,000 to trade with. And I said, but I don't want you to start trading with $300,000. In fact, I want you to start with $5,000. And more than likely, you're going to lose all $5,000, and you need to be ready for that. And he's like, what are you talking about? I know what I'm doing. And I'm like, no, you don't. The emotions that you're going to experience trading is going to be unlike anything you've ever had to deal with. And that $300,000 is going to disappear, and you're going to wonder what just happened. So even if your account isn't under $25,000, if it's over, honestly, I would start with something really small. Like I said, $5,000, 3,000, 2,500, something small to learn how to trade. And then once you figured out how to trade, scale up after that point. But let's say your account is under $25,000. That's totally fine. Like I say, it's actually really easy to avoid the pattern day trading rule that you've probably come in contact with. I know when I first started trading, I was like, oh yeah, here we go. And I'm trading. And I get this notification, and it was like, you just hit the PDT rule, the pattern day trading rule. Your account has been locked for 90 days. And I'm like, what? The SEC has been notified that you are, doing free ride violations. What? Okay, first off, don't panic, because I've been there. Anything you've done wrong, I've been there. Trust me. I know exactly what it's like. But this 10-minute system that we're talking about here is not getting in and out of stocks in 10 minutes. No, it's managing your portfolio in 10 minutes. And I don't ever day trade, ever. There's only a few reasons that I do. I want you to stop the course here, go watch this podcast real quick, and then come back. And it's going to teach you about how to avoid pattern day trading rules. And this is going to be key as we talk about this going forward. Okay, so the moral of the story is number one, trade at the end of the day when the market is most liquid. Number two, have your exit plan already determined. Number three, day trades should be reserved for order entry mistakes and closing out the incorrect order quickly. What that means is, let's say you wanted to buy 50 shares, but instead you bought 500 shares and you need to get out right now in order to make sure that nothing goes wrong. That is the time for a day trade. Let's say you sold a put when you meant to buy a put. That is the time you get out for a day trade. Reserve your 3-day trade bullets, I guess you could say, in a week for if you make a mistake. Now, honestly, I make mistakes. It happens. And this is the only time pretty much that I ever do a day trade. In fact, it says right there, I rarely day trade. Number one, either I'm up big and I'm ready to take profits, which happens on occasion. I messed up an order and I need to fix it. I need to fix it right now so I don't lose any money. Or the stock reversed rapidly and I need to get out quickly. Let's say you bought the top and the next hour it's just gone down 5%. Stuff like that happens. And you got to get out. Like, you made your unbreakable plan. Now is the time to get out. And it may just be the same day. And then get a margin account, not a cash account. It makes life a lot easier when you have a margin account. And then I also, down below, there's going to be a link for an ebook. I want you to go and read that ebook. It's going to give you more information. And, you know, it's included for free, so don't worry about that. But don't worry if you have a small account. In fact, I encourage you to have a small account. Learn on a small account so that whenever you do have a bigger account, then you can know how to manage it without being scared by the risk. Here's another couple things you can do, right? You can take the affiliate marketing course like we talked about, and you can grow your trading account by selling this course where you can get 80% commissions. And then every customer you send to FinClub, you'll also get 20% monthly recurring commissions on that. So if your account's under $25,000, you're looking to grow it, here's 2 more avenues beyond just trading that you can make some money online. And make sure you take this affiliate bootcamp course. This is created by some of the best affiliate marketers in the world. And the information that's in there is what helped me grow my income from affiliate marketing online. So make sure you do take that. And make sure you share with FinClub. Like, as you can see, FinClub is super, super powerful. And we are looking to get as many people on that as possible. And you can make 20% of that for every person that you help refer to FinClub. And like I said, for this course, I'm not making any money on this course. It's totally a break-even type thing where you can actually make 80% of the course price as a commission by helping people and sharing this course with them. So there's going to be links down below for the ebook. There's going to be links down below for the podcast. There's going to be links down below for the affiliate bootcamp course, as well as FinClub FinClub affiliate marketing, and for the course for this affiliate marketing. All of that in a way to help grow your account. Like, that's the goal here. Grow your account as fast as possible. This is giving you alternative income sources to help grow that account and to help share it with other people, right? There are so many more people that need the information that's included in this course, and we want you to help spread that message. So if your account's under $25,000, don't worry about it. It's probably the best place to start. Okay, so what'd you think? That was pretty incredible, right? Now, if you like that, that's only a taste, only a sample of what you're going to find in the full AI stock trading system. And I really highly encourage you to go and check this out. Obviously, you are interested in learning on how to trade, and that's why you're listening to this podcast. Now, I'm going to take and download my entire trading system that I use day in and day out onto you. And the only way I'm going to be able to do that is over at the AIStockTradingSystem.com. You're going to get phase 1, 2, and 3, several bonuses, and on top of that, I'm going to walk you through over a dozen trades that I put on inside of my account, holding your hand and showing you exactly how I got in, how I got out, how I use the artificial intelligence data, and how this could work inside of your own trading portfolio on a daily basis. So make sure you head on over to AIStockTradingSystem.com. That's AIStockTradingSystem.com to learn more and to get started and to download my decade plus worth of trading experience into your hands so you can start using the AI stock trading system today, the 5-step system to take the guesswork out of trading. Hey, if you like this video, let me know by leaving me a like below, and then subscribe and share it with somebody you think could use it as well. Be sure to comment below with your biggest takeaway from this episode and any suggestions you have for future episodes. And finally, make sure you watch these other videos to help you trade faster and trade smarter, and I'll see you on the next episode.